quite a few people online, 70 people, all right. Good to see them. Hello, Devishi.
हाँ हेलो रचित.
Hi. I think
Hi.
आपका वो
Oh, is this
phone is yeah.
orientation? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay, it's better now.
Perfect. जी हाँ, एकदम perfect है. How have you been? All good, I hope.
All good, all good. How have you been?
We've been great. Unfortunately, Mumbai का lockdown is a little more strict क्योंकि situation is really bad here. So इस वजह से
Yeah,
हम
yeah.
लोग we are tight, closed right now at home, trying to work from home.
Yeah, so most of us are. Yeah.
How are things in Delhi? I mean, आपके offices खुल गए हैं या are they
खुल
opening
रहे
up?
हैं, खुल
जी
रहे हैं. So
जी
we have with social distancing, so effectively say about 30% of the people are, you know, so every company has made rosters because you can't get all the people who used to sit in office. So because of social distancing, so people have made rosters. So I tell my team that okay, you'll come today and then you'll come on the fourth day. That's how.
quite interesting to
Yeah,
work in such a scenario क्योंकि कभी हम में से किसी ने भी ऐसे कभी काम नहीं किया
yeah,
होगा.
absolutely
Sure.
unprecedented, absolutely. Yeah.
तो आपके डीलरशिप्स भी खुल गए होंगे अभी काफी सारे,
Yes.
if not all.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी. तो अभी as we speak about more than 50% are up now and running.
Wow.
But problem यही है कि हर जगह की जो लोकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है उसके नॉर्म्स के हिसाब से you know, like in Delhi it is alternate day, in some other places also, like in Kerala it is all days now. It started with alternate days, it is now all days. So like that most towns are and states are having different norms depending upon the intensity of COVID infections in those places. Yeah.
That's but numbers आपको आ रहे हैं क्या? Inquiries आ रही है more importantly because this is the time. I mean,
बहुत कम है बट इंक्रीजिंग ग्रेजुअली. और इंक्वायरी से ज्यादा आई मीन अभी वी डोंट सी टू मेनी पीपल इन द बाइंग मोड, सो टू स्पीक. एप्रीहेंशन बहुत है इस वक्त. इस वक्त अगर मुझे कुछ खरीदना हो तो या मुझे कुछ करना हो तो बाइंग अ मोटरसाइकिल और बाइंग एनीथिंग विच इज अ डिस्क्रिशनरी परचेज वो थोड़ा पोस्टपोन करूंगा मैं. देरी अभी तो थोड़ा हेल्थ बेसिक्स आर द फोकस राइट नाउ. So we understand that, and we understand the reason behind the slightly, not slightly, but greatly depressed demand that is there. But this too shall pass, as they say. So,
but जैसे आपने कहा था, inquiries are coming up as days go. So
yeah.
has there been a good, मतलब जैसे अभी अगर आपने कहा कि 50% dealerships are open today. So has there been a good like 30 to 50% demand increase then?
Yes.
पहले?
Demand, yes, absolutely. Demand increase has happened. But what we call a conversion into sale is taking a lot of time, and which is understandable that a person may like to start inquiring, but by the time he gains confidence to actually come and do the transaction and buy the vehicle, he'll be a little hesitant at this point in time. तो आज तो ऐसी सिचुएशन है कि हर चीज के बारे में बहुत सारी राय होगी. तो मैं बोलूँगा, पिताजी बोलेंगे नहीं अभी रुक जा है, मैं बोलूँगा नहीं मुझे तो ऐसा तो रिस्क तो लगा रहेगा, घर वाले बोलेंगे नहीं थोड़ा रुक के देख लो. सो you'll have that kind of pressure at this point in time, which is understandable.
तो हांडा साल अगर मुझे बाइक खरीदनी है, किसी को भी बाइक खरीदनी है, स्कूटर खरीदनी है आज के तारीख में, तो वो कैसे उसको अश्योरिटी मिले कि जो मैं टेस्ट राइड करूंगा प्रोडक्ट वो क्लीन है या मुझे उससे कहीं कुछ तरीके का हार्म ना हो?
हाँ, तो इसके बारे में मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि हम लोगों ने सुजुकी ने एंड आई एम श्योर सब मैन्युफैक्चरर्स ने अपनी डीलरशिप जैसे जैसे खुली है, हम लोगों ने क्या किया सुजुकी में, हमने मच बिफोर द लॉकडाउन स्टार्टेड ओपनिंग अप, मतलब रिलैक्सेशन मिलनी शुरू हुई उसके पहले हमने बहुत क्लियर गाइडलाइन पिछले महीने ही दे दी थी अपने डीलरशिप्स को कि आप जब खोलेंगे तो ये गाइडलाइन, वो गाइडलाइंस में all the suggestions of Government of India are included, or beyond that we have gone even beyond the government directives, so even more safe. And we are also trying to, it is will be premature for me to commit right now, but we are also exploring if we can try and as much as possible reach the customers more than expecting them to come to our dealership.
That will be great.
हाँ, तो इस टाइप की चीजें को प्रयास है कि इस टाइप की चीजें हम करें. जैसे अब लॉकडाउन अभी हम लोगों को उम्मीद है कि 1 तारीख से और थोड़ा रिलैक्सेशन होगा लोगों के मूवमेंट पे. एक चीज है कि कमर्शियल एस्टेब्लिशमेंट खोल दिए गवर्नमेंट ने, अलाउ कर दिए खोलना, और दूसरी चीज ये होती है कि लोगों का मूवमेंट रिस्ट्रिक्ट किया. अगर मैं दिल्ली के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बात करूं तो गुड़गांव से दिल्ली नहीं जा सकते हो आप, राइट? इस टाइप के रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं. सिमिलरली अगर आप बॉम्बे में हैं तो मुझे पता नहीं, पर मुझे ऐसा बताया गया है कि थाने से बॉम्बे और
there are problems है कहीं you cannot make across, मतलब मुंबई टू नवी मुंबई भी एक hassle है in itself. So you're right about that fact कि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
Precisely. So उसकी वजह से भी थोड़ा सा एहतियात तो रखना है. And we are not sure how many people will be able to, even if they want to, they'll be able to reach. तो उसके चलते yes, we are expectations we will try to keep realistic. However, we will try to reach out as much as possible.
Okay. तो अब सवाल ये उठता है मेरा कि अगर मैं आपके अगर मुझे जानना है कि मैं समझो रहता हूँ, समझो मे बी आई स्टे इन कोल्हापुर और आई स्टे इन नागपुर, मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि मेरे एरिया का डीलरशिप हैज ओपनड अप?
हाँ, तो हमारी सब डीलरशिप्स में the day they got permission from their district administration or their city administration,
जी,
हमारे डीलर्स ने, they were very very active, they have been, and we have been urging them to be very active. The first thing that they have done is to reach out to all their entire customer database. Yes, we are open now. Our dealerships have posted videos, and I can very thumb the table and say that 100% of our dealerships have posted online videos to showcase to their customers the kind of safety measures they are taking and the kind of security they have been trying to, bring about in the showrooms, in the workshops. So that is something which is very important. ये तो फर्ज है हमारा. I mean, we have to assure our buyers or people who are considering our products to first be convinced absolutely that there will be no harm to them physically.
Correct. That's true. तो सर मुझे ये बताइए, अभी देखिए लॉकडाउन के पहले सबके BS6 आ रहे थे. ऑफकोर्स BS6 तो आप लाओगे, लेकिन सबके प्लान्स तो थे कि जून में कब कुछ प्रोडक्ट आए या जून जुलाई, सबके अपने अपने प्लान रहते हैं. और टिल दिवाली तक सबके प्लान्स कुछ तो रहते ही हैं हर साल ऑटोमोटिव में. तो अब क्या वो अफेक्ट हो जाएंगे या आपके भी प्लान्स अफेक्ट होंगे? बिकॉज लॉकडाउन वी डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली कितने दिन चलता है ये. लेट्स से अगर जून एंड भी खत्म हुआ, would that be a good time to even get a new product right now in the market?
Okay, so in two parts. About us specifically, about Suzuki. So हमारे जो प्लान थे to migrate to BS6 supplies, there is no holdback on that at all. And because of the lockdown, shipments got affected in the month of April and large part of May also. There was a lot of confusion about essential goods, non-essential goods, और उसके चलते फ्रेश शिपमेंट तो दूर की बात है, हमारा ट्रांजिट स्टॉक काफी टाइम तक अटका रहा, as is where is. I mean, if a truck or a container carrying our motorcycles had left our factory in Gurgaon and it had just crossed into Rajasthan and it was supposed to reach Bombay, वो राजस्थान में ही अटक गया और अटका रहा वहां पे, right? So we had first we overcame that situation because we had already started supplies of BS6 vehicles before March itself, right? हमारे कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स जो कि मार्च में हमें शुरू करने थे, मार्च एंड में सप्लाई करना, वो अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर पाए लास्ट वीक में, तो वो अटक गए. Which we have the last of the variants of ours which was programmed to be shipped out, which were two products. One was our Intruder motorcycle and one was our Gixxer 250. These were programmed for end of March, which now have started. I mean, the Intruder has started and the Gixxer should be starting tomorrow, day after types. I mean, next 2 to 3 days time. So there is no impact as such.
Okay. Yeah. So you mentioned about the fact कि transit में अटक जाते हैं. I'm wondering, or maybe that's a extension मैं एक add करना चाहता हूँ, जो आपके bikes है which are the higher end, specifically that rely on an international supply chain management, उनको आने में और time लग जाएगा you think, or would that also be fast tracked somehow?
You are talking about super bikes?
Yeah, anything जो आप import करते हो इंडिया में, be it even the supply chain
मैं
part.
आपको बताऊं
जी,
हम लोग CBU import तो कुछ नहीं करते हैं, completely built up imports तो कुछ नहीं करते हैं.
True.
Our entire range, our scooters and motorcycles up to 150 and 250 cc. I am sorry for this.
No problem.
150 and 250 cc. These products are fully indigenously made here.
Correct.
And even the CKD products, right? They also are, imported in advance and assembled here and sold. The products like the V-Strom, etc. So there is no reason for kind of any delay because of international supply chain. वो issue नहीं है.
Okay. That way it is pretty much sorted here. And considering the fact कि जो new products, if there was any pipeline, would you think it would be a good idea to launch products post the lockdown, या फिर वो एक तरीका है कि हमें थोड़ा acceleration मिल जाएगा immediately फिलहाल के लिए, तो वो भी एक strategy हो सकती है. So would that be a good idea to get a new product now or anytime in the few months?
See, my personal sense is that this is not a very conducive time for a new product introduction. This may not be the best of times for a company to come out with a new product introduction. However, as far as our product introduction plans are concerned, we don't see them changing much, except for the fact that all manufacturers may have some challenges in terms of timelines. So, जो चीजें उनके projects थे which got stalled, right? So this was time lost, which cannot be made up. So naturally there will be some lag, and there can be some management decisions also looking at the market situation not to, even if the development process is over, not to introduce may not be the right time. So the industry may experience that kind of a situation.
So,
but we are not, as far as we are concerned, whatever plans we had, as I told you just now, we are probably one manufacturer where we have migrated each and every product that we used to make and sell in India to BS6. So that plan, there is no change.
Okay. So एक चीज मैं ये जानना चाहूंगा कि since the time the lockdown has opened, is there any particular product या suddenly कोई नया ऐसे है कि ये product नहीं आपके limelight में था और main selling, but suddenly it has started to do well post the lockdown? Has there been a particular trend या scooters ले रहे हैं या bikes ले रहे हैं ज़्यादा? Any trend in lockdown, post lockdown?
Rachit, it is too premature to even talk about any trend. What we are being able to make is in the month of May, when actually some production has started. April was zero. May something has started, and that something, let me give you an idea. we may land up doing 7 to 8% of what we did on an average last year in the month of May. That is not even statistically significant to, talk about a trend or anything. They're too premature. Probably 2 months or 3 months down the line, one will be able to understand, looking at when you really start scaling up, and there is not unrestricted but a reasonable demand, then you'll be able to see if there is shifting proportions. It's premature, right?
Okay. So ठीक है. So before I end the session, I'll just put one last question. आपसे मेरे को ये जानना था, is that I mean, there's been a shift to BS6 already. Impact already आ चुका है in terms of price hike. What do you think will happen to the market in the coming years? Will there be a shift towards more online? क्योंकि अभी, see, I've been reading reports which say that online digital buying will grow up. हमने मारुति में बात किया with Shashank San. He mentioned that 60% inquiries have come through digital. So what is your say? Will digital expand a lot specifically for helping the two-wheelers, या लोगों को अभी भी टच फील करके ही प्रोडक्ट लेना है?
There are two parts. At this point in time, I agree with Shashank San. Digital, because people don't have an option of physically coming over, right? So ये जो option physically आने का है, वो नहीं है आज. So it is also a compulsion based phenomenon, right? Anything which is done out of duress is not normally sustainable. So my sense is that once the medical situation is under control, human beings have a tendency of coming back to what they are comfortable with, right? Typically. So my sense is that it will definitely be, online phenomena will be definitely more than what it was last year, because even if it is under duress, there is a habit, that you have got into. So something that you have tried your hands with, and to that extent there would be an uptake. But I don't think on a sustained level there would be a huge shift to online, long term. No.
Sure. So two-wheelers में भी you are saying basically it'll come back to being to the source, और या फिर ऐसा होगा कि digital will be a part, कि dealership बोलेगा कि हमें leads generate करने ही चाहिए, and when the customer comes in, so let's say मैंने अगर access select की, for example, I want an access maybe a silver color one, और जब मैं dealership जाता हूँ, so the dealer already knows about me, that I'm going to come into his dealership. I've seen a silver access, and maybe this is my budget, or this is the features I look at. So you think will that also help in a way, या वो cost काफी बढ़ा देगा? Because four-wheelers it's still understandable कि वो एक important aspect बन सकता है, but two-wheelers, would that increase the cost drastically in terms of overheads?
No, it's not a question of cost.
Okay.
On the face of it, online appears convenient.
Okay.
But online in our business has two constraints. Forget COVID for a moment. It has two constraints. One constraint is regulatory in nature. Okay. While it is a discretionary consumer durable, but an automotive consumer durable by regulation is supposed to be registered.
Okay.
And hence there comes an angle where you cannot complete the entire transaction without a physical interface.
Okay. Oh.
That is one.
Yes.
So far. One. Second, we are a product, and especially when we talk about manufacturers like us, Suzuki, because we are not participating in the commuter motorcycle space. As you go up the value chain in motorcycling, the experience becomes very highly touch and feel driven. It's an experience based purchase.
Correct.
Right?
Yes, true that.
And these are two phenomena which are contrary to the which go a little against the online thing. If it is easier, you may have seen even, and that's why I said forget COVID for a moment. Even in normal times, white goods, for example, slightly more expensive televisions and slightly more expensive refrigerators and air conditioners, this kind, are available online. But the purchase online proportionately is very low. People still prefer to go to the showroom. They want to see physically. And here, this is a moving vehicle, which is bought out of passion and
Sure.
personal preference. So there are basic buyer behavior related matters, which may not make it very, very amenable in a short term to online.
Okay, so I'm done with my questions. I'll just take one question from the audience. It's from Vibhor. He wants to know, can you guys discuss on future of big bike segment in India?
Disrupt.
Discuss a
Yes,
bit
yes,
more on big bike segment in India.
Oh, sure. So, big bikes in India is an increasing trend. See, big bikes or performance bikes is something which is a function of affordability, and affordability of the young, right? Not people like me, people like you. So, as affordability of the young goes up, it is natural that big bikes would, or sale and usage of big bikes, then the phenomena of big bikes would definitely increase, and which is a trend that we have been seeing. Forget the recent economic downturn, etc., but that is a trend that is here to stay. As the economy progresses from developing to developed, motorcycle becomes more and more of a lifestyle and a passion product, more than a utility product. And when it becomes a purchase made out of passion, or because you love the feel, or you are passionate about the vehicle, then you start going in for performance things, right? So it is a function of disposable incomes finally.
Right. Thank you, Anda-san, for the lovely session. We got to learn a lot. Actually, the last question was pretty interesting also. Thank you for your time. Good to have you here with us online. Hope to see you soon in real rather than using technology.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Take
Rachit.
care.
Thanks for having me. It was a pleasure talking to you and all the followers you have. Thank you so much.
Take care. Bye.
Bye-bye.